अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हमने आपके लिए मॉक टेस्ट सेकंड लाया है जूनियर असिस्टेंट हाई कोर्ट एग्ज़ाम के लिए। हर क्वेश्चन के साथ आपको 1 मिनट का टाइम दिया जाएगा। कोशिश कीजिएगा कि उस 1 मिनट में आप क्वेश्चन का आंसर दे सकें। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज विच वर्ड इज़ क्लोजेस्ट इन मीनिंग टू द अंडरलाइन वर्ड इन द सेंटेंस? इट्स क्वाइट कॉमन टू कम अक्रॉस सच इंसिडेंट्स nowadays. ऑप्शन ए ऑर्डिनरी, ऑप्शन बी सिंपल, ऑप्शन सी म्यूचुअल, ऑप्शन डी रूटीन। Correct answer is option D, routine. Next question is fill in the blanks with the suitable option. I need a new car dash has at least 5 seats. My present one dash is white in color, can seat hardly 3 people. Option A that, option B which, option C that which, option D which that. Correct answer is option A, that. Next question is which word is farthest in meaning from the underlined word in the sentence? The cold weather affected his desire to deliver optimal productivity. Option A encouraged, option B sustained, option C hindered, option D retained. Correct answer is option A encouraged. Next question is fill in the blank with the suitable option. It was Dash who strived against discrimination to become the first woman judge of her country. Option A her, option B herself, option C she, option D hers. Correct answer is option C she. Next question is fill in the blank with the suitable option. I think he is still in Dash bed, wake him up or he will miss his train. Option A, option B and, option C the, option D no article. Correct answer is option D no article. Next question is change the sentence from direct speech to reported speech. I mean it when I say that the strong will conquer all hurdles. Option A, he emphasized that the strong will conquer all hurdles. Option B, he opined that the strong will be conquer all hurdles. Option C, he stressed that the strong would conquer all hurdles. Option D, he focused on the fact that the strong can conquer all hurdles. Correct answer is option C. He stressed that the strong would conquer all hurdles. Next question is in what logical order can we arrange the given sentence to get a coherent paragraph? A. Despite registering handsome profits, Swirly Motor share don't trade as highly as of its peers due to a sense of uncertainty among investors. B. An expensive and disastrous foray into food industry and inadequate transparency about its future plans have in recent years have perplexed many. C. The biggest hurdle to Swirly Motor's growth lies in its past. D. Big investors had been disappointed in the past over its uncertainty in decision making. E. Swirly shares now trade at 6 times their estimated earnings of 2002 are the second cheapest in the sector. Option A EDADC, option B ACDBE, option C BCDEA, option D EABCD. Correct answer is option B ACDBE. Next question is fill in the blank with the suitable option given below. Take a right dash the next crossroad. Option A at, option B before, option C on, option D to. Correct answer is option A at. Next question is fill in the blank with the suitable option. He removed the painting, dash was my favorite so I was upset. Option A who, option B when, option C this, option D which. Correct answer is option D which. Next question is fill in the blank with the suitable option. Dash you run your mouth at a moment like this when everyone is silent and in mourning. Option A should, option B could, option C shall, option D would. Correct answer is option A should. Next question is, fill in the blank with a suitable option. He too loves hockey much more than dash, even if clearly I am the better player. Option A, I. Option B, me. Option C, mine. Option D, myself. Correct answer is option A, I. Next question is, fill in the blanks with a suitable option. He has been acting all dash after becoming a cop. Option A, mighty and fighty. Option B, high and low. Option C, high and dry. Option D, high and mighty. Correct answer is option D, high and mighty. Next question is, fill in the blank with suitable option given below. That small grocery store dash the corner of the street is my father's. Option A, in. Option B, on. Option C, at. Option D, with. Correct answer is option C, at. Next question is, change the sentence from direct speech to reported speech. Well, all Julian has to do was ask. Option A, he observed that Julian could just ask. Option B, he remarked that Julian needs to ask. Option C, he said that Julian simply had to ask. Option D, he told that Julian can simply ask. Correct answer is option C, he said that Julian simply had to ask. Next question is, fill in the blank with the suitable option. When we were kids, we dash play for hours in the park. That was a golden period in our lives. Option A, ought to. Option B, would. Option C, could. Option D, should. Correct answer is option B, would. Next question is, break a dash man, that was an awesome performance. Option A, leg. Option B, sweat. Option C, hurt. Option D, genic. Correct answer is option A, leg. Next question is, fill in the blank with a suitable option. Dash love that mothers have for their babies is unconditional and pure. Option A, option B, and option C, the. Option D, no article required. Correct answer is option D, no article. Next question is, fill in the blank with the suitable option given below. Why Rohita dash television, I dash my project work. Option A, was going to watch and finish. Option B, will watch, I am finishing. Option C, watches, would finish. Option D, was watching, had finished. Correct answer is option D, was watching, has finished. Next question is, fill in the blank with the suitable option given below. The staff dash decorating the premises before the new owners landed. Option A, has been. Option B, had been. Option C, have been. Option D, have been. Correct answer is option B, had been. Next question is, in what logical order can we arrange the given sentence to get a coherent paragraph? A, the necessity for better shipment management has now been addressed by the new companies. B, Newport seems to have gotten a boost from this change in attitude. Option C, the authorities state that this is leading to a positive change in the owners of old ships. D, in terms of ship management efficiency, there has recently been a sea change in attitude. Option A, DBAC. Option B, ABCD. Option C, DACB. Option D, ACBD. Correct answer is option A, DBAC. Next question is, select the most appropriate option from below which changes the following active sentences into passive voice. Ashok wrote a book on history. Option A, Ashok has been writing books on histories. Option B, Ashok is going to write a book on history. Option C, a book on history is being written by Ashok. Option D, a book on history was written by Ashok. Correct answer is option D, a book on history was written by Ashok. Next question is, select the most appropriate meaning of the idiom below. Keep an ear to the ground. Option A, to be always careful before taking any decision. Option B, to be realistic. Option C, doing something that has never been done before. Option D, staying informed and updated about everything. Correct answer is option D. Stay informed and updated about everything. Next question is, the flash of the torch dash a cobra. Option A exposed, option B displayed, option C disclosed, option D revealed. Correct answer is option D revealed. Next question is, spotting the error. Option A all the girls students, option B of the college are advised, option C to sit in the girls common room, option D no error. Correct answer is option A. Next question is, one word substitution. A person who cannot be corrected. Option A illegible, option B impossible, option C incorrigible, option D invulnerable. Correct answer is option C incorrigible. Next question is, synonym of courage. Option A cowardice, option B valor, option C timidity, option D ingenuity. Correct answer is option B valor. Next question is, synonym of outmost. Option A greatest, option B minimal, option C least, option D good. Correct answer is option A greatest. Next question is, fixed preposition. The branch of tree is laid in dash branches. Option A of, option B for, option C with, option D to. Correct answer is option C with. Next question is, antonym of incredible. Option A possible, option B believable, option C enjoyable, option D imaginary. Correct answer is option B believable. Next question is, antonym of concur. Option A disagree, option B disappear, option C disarrange, option D discourage. Correct answer is option A disagree. Next question is, which of these are web browsers? Option A Google Chrome, option B Internet Explorer, option C Brave, option D all of these. Correct answer is option D all of these. Next question is, an example of an internet search engine is option A Linux, option B Yahoo, option C Windows, option D MS Excel. Correct answer is option B Yahoo. Next question is, which of the following is not an output device? Option A scanner, option B plotter, option C printer, option D projector. Correct answer is option A scanner. Next question is, which of the following is a spreadsheet application program? Option A MS SS, option B MS Word, option C MS Excel, option D MS DOS. Correct answer is option C MS Excel. Next question is, Dash is a widely used service of the Dash through which users can send and receive message in an efficient way. Choose the correct answer to fill in the blanks. Option A storage device computer, option B input device supercomputer, option C email internet, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option C email internet. Next question is, Dash register holds an instruction while it's being. Option A input, option B instruction, option C inner, option D internal. Correct answer is option B instruction. Next question is, what is the full form of EPROM? Option A electrically programmable ROM, option B erasable programmable ROM, option C extended programmable ROM, option D easy programmable ROM. Correct answer is option B erasable programmable ROM. Next question is, how many bits make one nibble? Option A 4 bit, option B 8 bit, option C 0 or 1 bit, option D 1024 bit. Correct answer is option A 4 bit. Next question is, Dash can be reprogrammed to erase data from it, expose it to ultraviolet light. To reprogram it, erase all the previous data. Option A PROM, option B EEPROM, option C HD-ROM, option D EPROM. Correct answer is option D, EPROM. Next question is, dash is a multiple of the unit byte for digital information, which is 1 billion byte. Option A, terabyte. Option B, gigabyte. Option C, petabyte. Option D, kilobyte. Correct answer is option B, gigabyte. Next question is, which memory is an intermediate between RAM and processor? Option A, ROM. Option B, EPROM. Option C, PROM. Option D, cache memory. Correct answer is option D, cache memory. Next question is, which of the following is a secondary memory? Option A, hard disk. Option B, RAM. Option C, SRAM. Option D, ROM. Correct answer is option A, hard disk. Next question is, what is smallest unit of the information in computer in terms of size? Option A, nibble. Option B, block. Option C, byte. Option D, bit. Correct answer is option D, bit. Next question is, how will you term 1024 GB as? Option A, 1 terabyte. Option B, 1 megabyte. Option C, 1 petabyte. Option D, 1 kilobyte. Correct answer is option D, 1 kilobyte. Next question is, dash can be reprogrammed and to erase the data from it, expose it to ultraviolet light. Option A, PROM. Option B, EPROM. Option C, SDRAM. Option D, ROM. Correct answer is option B, EPROM. Next question is, in the context of court procedures, what does element specially refer to? Option A, process server. Option B, legal clerk. Option C, expert witness. Option D, peon. Correct answer is option B, legal clerk. Next question is, who handles the financial matters under the direction of the presiding officer of a subordinate court? Option A, Nazir. Option B, stenographer. Option C, element. Option D, process server. Correct answer is option A, Nazir. Next question is, which ruler was asked by the British government in 1889 to appoint a council for administrative and judicial matters? Option A, Maharaja Hari Singh. Option B, Maharaja Pratap Singh. Option C, Maharaja Ranbir Singh. Option D, Maharaja Gulab Singh. Correct answer is option B, Maharaja Pratap Singh. Next question is, what does corpus delicti mean? Option A, concrete evidence of a crime. Option B, body of the accused. Option C, criminal intent. Option D, the process of trial. Correct answer is option A, concrete evidence of a crime. Next question is, what does muntadis mean? Option A, with necessary changes. Option B, without changes. Option C, in the same manner. Option D, beyond doubt. Correct answer is option A, with necessary changes. Next question is, what is an accomplice? Option A, a person who witnesses a crime. Option B, a person who aids or takes part in the commission of a crime. Option C, a person who is wrongfully accused of a crime. Option D, a person who reports a crime. Correct answer is option B, a person who aids or takes part in the commission of a crime. Next question is, with reference to India, consider the following statements. First, government law officers and legal firms are recognized as advocates, but corporate lawyers and patent attorneys are excluded from recognition as advocates. Second, bar councils have the power to lay down the rules relating to legal education and recognition of law colleges. Which of the statements given above is or correct? Option A, first only. Option B, second only. Option C, both first and second. Option D, neither first nor second. Correct answer is option B, second only. Next question is, with reference to the writs issued by the courts in India, consider the following statements. First, mandamus will not lie against a private organization unless it is entrusted with a public duty. Second, mandamus will not lie against a company even though it may be a government company. Third, any public-minded person can be a petitioner to move the court to obtain the writ of quo warranto. Which of the statements given above are correct? Option A, first and second only. Option B, second and third only. Option C, first and third only. Option D, first, second and third. Correct answer is option C, first and third only. Next question is, the judges of Supreme Court is appointed under which article? Option A, Article 121, option B, Article 124, option C, Article 176, option D, Article 156. Correct answer is option B, Article 124. Next question is, who was the first Pusin judge appointed to the High Court of Jammu and Kashmir? Option A, Lala Kanwar Sen and Khan Sahib Aga Said Hussain. Option B, Lala Bodh Rai Sawani and Maharaj Hari Singh. Option C, Lala Bodh Rai Sawani and Khan Sahib Aga Said Hussain. Option D, Maharaja Hari Singh and Lala Kanwar Sen. Correct answer is option C, Lala Bodh Rai Sawani and Khan Sahib Aga Said Hussain. Next question is, Umar Abdullah took oath as the CM of Jammu and Kashmir for the second time. When was the first time he assumed the same office? Option A, 2007, option B, 2014, option C, 2008, option D, 2009. Correct answer is option D, 2009. Next question is, which of the following languages were recently added to the list of classical language in India? Option A, Marathi, Prakrit, Pali, Assamese, Bengali. Option B, Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Malayalam. Option C, Sanskrit, Marathi, Punjabi, Oriya. Option D, Bengali, Gujarati, Prakrit, Urdu. Correct answer is option A, Marathi, Prakrit, Pali, Assamese, Bengali. Next question is, in January 2024, which country becomes fifth to land on moon? Option A, India. Option B, USA. Option C, Australia. Option D, Japan. Correct answer is option D, Japan. Next question is, which Indian temple was selected by UNESCO for the 2023 Award of Distinction for its conservation? Option A, Abhasravara Temple. Option B, Mahabodhi Temple. Option C, Vrindavan Chadorya Temple. Option D, Kamakhya Temple. Correct answer is option A, Abhasaheshwara Temple. Next question is, Philippine Tiger Reserve is located in which state? Option A, UP. Option B, Rajasthan. Option C, Gujarat. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. Correct answer is option A, Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, who among the following is credited with inventing the game of chess? Option A, India. Option B, England. Option C, Japan. Option D, Iran. Correct answer is option A, India. Next question is, a couple of years ago, State Bank of India opened one of a kind floating ATM in Dal Lake, Srinagar. What is the tagline of SBI? Option A, the banker to every India. Option B, we understand your world. Option C, the name you can bank upon. Option D, honors your trust. Correct answer is option A, the banker to every Indian. Next question is, White Knight Corps was raised on 1st of June 1972. Where are the headquarters of White Knight Corps? Option A, Badami Bagh Cantonment, Srinagar. Option B, Nagrota, Jammu. Option C, Udhampur. Option D, Doda. Correct answer is option B, Nagrota, Jammu. Next question is, recently a markhor was spotted in North Kashmir's Baramulla. Regarding markhor, which of the following statements is or correct? Option A, it is a type of wild mountain goat with spiral shaped on. Option B, it has been categorized as near threatened by IUCN. Option C, International Day of the Markhor was celebrated for the first time on 24 May 2024 by UN General Assembly. Option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is, recently Syrian government headed by Bashar al-Assad was toppled by Hayat Tahrir al-Shams. Who among the following is the leader of this particular rebel group? Option A, Hassan Nasrallah. Option B, Abu Muhammad al-Jalani. Option C, Yahya Sinwar. Option D, Sayyid Salahuddin. Correct answer is option B, Abu Muhammad al-Jalani. Next question is, Jammu and Kashmir's only Hangul Conservation Breeding Center is located at which of the following place? Option A, Dachigam, Srinagar. Option B, Tral, Pulwama. Option C, Daksam, Anantnag. Option D, Lachipura, Baramulla. Correct answer is option B, Tral, Pulwama. Next question is, Uber Technology is a multinational transportation company with its headquarters in which of the following countries? Option A USA, option B India, option C United Kingdom, option D France. Correct answer is option A USA. Next question is, recently a 5-member Pakistani delegation was flown to Jammu's Kashmir to inspect power projects set up on the rivers covered under Indus Water Treaty of 1960. The Indus Water Treaty between India and Pakistan was brokered by which of the following organization? Option A United Nations, option B International Monetary Fund, option C World Bank, option D World Meteorological Organization. Correct answer is option C World Bank. Next question is, in which year was the Men's Cricket World Cup started? Option A 1985, option B 1970, option C 1975, option D 1980. Correct answer is option C 1975. Next question is, Rangaswamy Cup is associated with which game? Option A volleyball, option B basketball, option C hockey, option D football. Correct answer is option C hockey. Next question is, since 2004, which of the following states in India is the permanent venue of International Film Festival of India? Option A Gujarat, option B New Delhi, option C Goa, option D Maharashtra. Correct answer is option C Goa. Next question is, which festival traces its origin to the Tibetan New Year, and in Ladakh it is celebrated every year at the end of the harvesting season? Option A Losar Festival, option B Matho Nagrang, option C Yuru Kabgya, option D Dosmoji. Correct answer is option A Losar Festival. Next question is, which of the following parts of the mountain will receive the most rainfall from moisture laden winds? Option A windward side, option B leeward side, option C upward side, option D relief side. Correct answer is option A windward side. Next question is, Sangpo and Jamuna are other names of which river? Option A Indus, option B Ganga, option C Narmada, option D Brahmaputra. Correct answer is option D Brahmaputra. Next question is, which Indian state is poised to become the leader in cow milk production? Option A Gujarat, option B Maharashtra, option C Uttar Pradesh, option D Rajasthan. Correct answer is option C Uttar Pradesh. Next question is, who was named Time Magazine Person of the Year recently? Option A Joe Biden, option B Elon Musk, option C Donald Trump, option D Vladimir Putin. Correct answer is option C Donald Trump. Next question is, where is Lonar Lake located? Option A Gujarat, option B Maharashtra, option C Madhya Pradesh, option D Rajasthan. Correct answer is option B Maharashtra. Next question is, when is UNICEF Day observed every year? Option A 10 December, option B 11 December, option C 12 December, option D 15 December. Correct answer is option B 11 December. Next question is, bird enthusiasts recently spotted the marble duck, a rare winter migrant, at which national park after 30 years? Option A Kalidio National Park, option B Sultanpur National Park, option C Jim Corbett National Park, option D Kaziranga National Park. Correct answer is option B Sultanpur National Park. Next question is, The Unforgettables was the collection of semi-classical music of which ghazal singer? Option A Mehdi Hasan, option B Jagjit Singh, option C Malika Pukhraj, option D Talat Mahmud. करेक्ट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी जगजीत सिंह। वीडियो पसंद आए तो वीडियो को लाइक शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें और ये फ्री मॉक अपने दोस्तों के साथ ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा शेयर करें। शुक्रिया।